Alaikum everyone. Hello everyone, it's me again, Fatima. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some stream pie. I have my stream here, my homemade seasoning, fresh tomato, mixed pepper. I'll be using 2 seafood Maggi cube, black pepper for seasoning, with some salt. That's all I'll be using. So the flour that I'll be working with today, I'll be using self-raising flour. That's what I'll be using, with some salt and some sugar. So in my bowl, I'm going to be adding my flour. So in this one, it depends how many people you are making it for, or how much you want. So that's my flour here. I'm going to be adding some amount of sugar, pinch of salt, like so. Mix all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to be adding water. Into that, I'll be adding oil. I'll leave all the right measurement. I use olive oil, but you're free to use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be mixing everything together. Keep on adding water. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to be adding a little bit more water. So as you can see, that's my dough. It's not supposed to be wet, so your surface is supposed to be very nicely clean, because you are dealing with food. So I'm going to knead it now, like so. With this one as well, you can use plain flour. I'm gonna sprinkle some oil in my bowl, like so. I'll put my flour in my bowl. So I'll leave it here to rest. So now I'm going to be blending all my mixed pepper. The tomatoes and the mixed pepper, everything. I'm gonna blend them together, and then in the blender I'm gonna be adding some extra virgin olive oil, because I don't want to add any water when I'm cooking this stew, like so. So now I'm gonna be adding my blended pepper. Remember, we are not gonna add any water here. So now I'm gonna be adding my chopped onions. I have the purple onion and the white onion, so I like using both like that because every onion have their own taste. So I'm gonna be adding my homemade seasoning. I will leave the link in the description box below how I do this homemade seasoning. So I'm gonna stir everything in together like so. I'm going to be adding some black pepper, like one amount of 1 spoon. We'll mix that in together. Now I'm going to be adding my seafood Maggi cube. So I'm adding 2 seafood Maggi cube jumbo because today I'm dealing with seafood. So you see that I did not add any water. It's the oil and the juice from the fresh tomato. So now I'm going to reduce my fire and then cover it halfway, not full, halfway, but you can do like so. You can do this one as well and just do it like so, so then the steam can go out. I'm still frying it in a very low heat. Just fry it slowly. When you finish, if your oil is a bit too much, you can reduce some oil. Just scoop some oil out of it. So I'm checking it again. As you can see, there's no water now. Everything has been dry. Now I'm going to be adding my cooked shrimp. So I'll leave this one in for 5 minutes, and then my sauce is done, my stew is done. Unfortunately, I did not add any salt because my homemade seasoning already have salt, and then I'm fasting, so I can't taste it, unfortunately. but when I break my fast I will taste it. If I need to add any salt or seasoning I will do so, but I don't think I'll need any seasoning. I'm gonna scoop some oil out. I don't think I need, the oil is a bit too much, like so. I feel like the oil is a bit too much, so I have to reduce some of the oil. My stew is ready now, so I'll push it aside and moving on to the flour dough. Now moving on to my dough. That's my dough now. You can either make it on top of your chopping board or on top of your surface. It is nice and clean, and then you can make it there. So let me show you how I make it here. I mean, if everywhere is nice and clean, you can use it and just roll it like so. So roll it to become very thin and then fry it. The more thinner, the more nicer. So if your dough is very thin, it will become very crispy when you fry it. It will become crunchy. So you can cut it into any shape that you want. Cut them into any shape that you want. You can use your chopping board, your counter, but make sure that when you're using your counter it's nicely clean. So that's my oil now. It's been hot, so this is how I fry everything. Turn it to the other side as well. This is how I'm gonna be repeating all the remaining dough. Make them very thin. You see, when you do it very well, see, they become puffy. They are puffing up. Look at that. That's my pie. My stream pie has been ready now. Can you look at that? So beautiful. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So today, this is what I'm going to be breaking my fast with. So Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. To all my Muslim and Christian friends, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. To everyone that has been supporting me. Thank you so much. For my old subscribers, you guys, thank you so much. You guys are so amazing. To my new subscriber, thank you so much. You're welcome to my family. Please don't forget to share this video. Thumbs up, leave your comment. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed. You guys should come and join me. Let's enjoy this food.